Hey you guys, it's your girl Miss Curl 7 and I'm here with you today because I'm gonna do like a little, mini tutorial, the regular. This hair is one of the hair I was considering for MC7 Collection, so I wanted to like test it out or whatever. It's like a deep curly. I love the texture, it's so cute, right? Yeah, okay, let's get into it. So I like using these type of bleach powders because it's either the blue one or the lavender one because it add like natural tone into the hair, I think. And I'm gonna use for the developer because I want its real blonde. My best friend wanted like Beyonce colors, so I was like, okay girl, whatever. So I like to mix it a little like smooth, and I like it a little runny sometimes because it gets to a hair like really like easier. So yeah, I always sort the hair out. So what we're trying to do now is just add as much of this product to the hair so it could be submerged and so it dyes evenly, although sometimes it don't dye evenly. But I'm gonna just be doing this to all of the hair, opening it and like trying to go through it. So this process is gonna just take a little while, okay? So while I was doing the hair, it started to change, so I'm like, let me hurry and wrap this in the foil because I have more to do. Yeah. So this one is already changing, but it's not there yet. The top is changing and the consistency is good so far. The bottom needs to change a little bit more, but other from that, it's good. Continuing, but I can see the next one is changing real fast, so I'm about to wash that out. Washed it out and I used purple shampoo, shimmer and lights, and it toned real good. The hair looks healthy. I mean, the curls are gone by this time, but for most of it, it's really good, and I like the text, like how it looks overall. So all the bundles in Frontal are dried and toned, and I love the outcome of the colors. And now we're about to install it on this girl right here. Oh god. So I start from the bottom and then I'm just locking everything in, and then this process is gonna go all the way up to the top. Y'all know the process. By the way, use a black cap. I ran out and I didn't notice, so yeah. So just plucking the hair a little bit more, like you can see it's already plucked, but I like to go in a little bit more like now and after I install it. So right now I'm just sizing the frontal on her head, you guys. As you can see, it's already looking so nice. So we'll be using the Bold Old glue, and I like to add 3 layers of this glue, you guys. And I will be putting like way more glue at the edge because that's like the anchor for me, you guys. Just a little setting before I add the frontal, and I like to add it from the middle first and then work my way to the sides. By this time the frontal is down and she's helping me hold it down, and I'm just using the comb to kind of press it in and for it to flow real nice. So you're always going to have leftovers, so you just like clip the ends of the leftovers. So this part is going to look crazy, you guys, and I'm just using the Lotta Body foam to kind of set her baby hairs, and this is not how her baby hairs will be looking, but so don't be alarmed, but it looks crazy, right? Always have your scarf on hand. Okay, you guys, so I combed out the baby hairs, so it don't look too bad now, but it's still not going to look like this. And I'm just doing a half a pony. She is so extra right now. Like, nothing is on your face, Nella. I mean, maybe, but just tell your clients, you know, you're good. I'm sorry. Wipe it off. Okay, you guys, so I always stretch these kind of curls, you guys, but she wanted it for the morning, so I'm not stretching it too much. I just want to stretch it enough where I can see what's really going on. Okay. So now I'm doing the actual formation of the baby hairs, and I'm using the same Lotta Body foam mousse. And that's about it, you guys. It's super cute. Them curls are so bouncy, and I can't wait for them to drop. So thank you guys for watching. You know, it's your girl Miss Curl 7. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. Bye, best friend.
So what type of range is that?
You can turn around a little, Miss Nella M, the stylist. Oh. Thank you.